So simply select sort A to Z. Okay, so we're done with question number 7. If you look at our time, we are now at 51 minutes left. Okay, this is because, or this is based on the fact that I have to repeat some of the some of the questions, or some of the things that I'm actually recording. Okay, so yeah, we're done with this one. Let us move on now to question number 8. Okay, so if you look at question number 8, it's actually something that you've already done. Remember, in question, let me take you back to this one. In this one, okay, let control Z, control Z, control Z. Okay, in order for us to get this value, what did we do? We simply added 2 cell values. Okay, this is equals to D2 plus D5. So we can simply answer this question without doing anything else. We've already done that. Okay, so the question says, okay, what does the formula A equals to A1 plus B1 do in Excel? So it simply adds the values in cell A1 and B1. That is the correct answer. Okay, so let us move on now to question 9. Okay, it says, what does the formula average A1 to A10 do in Excel? We've already used this. Okay, remember how we determined, let's go back. Remember how we determined this value. We used average C2, meaning we're starting here at C2 all the way up to C5. Okay, so it simply calculates the average. Okay, so we've already done that. Then it says it finds the average of the values in the range A1 to A10. That is the correct answer. Okay, then you move to the next question. Okay, to the next question. Okay, so if you were to do this one, okay, I think it would be better if we just simply use an illustration of how this works. Okay, they say, what does the formula equals to count if A1 to A10 is greater than 10? Now do in Excel. Okay, so what I'll advise you to do is simply copy this one, copy this. Okay, take this to your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, Excel spreadsheet, and then here just paste it. Okay, you can simply paste it here, simply Control V. Okay, you paste that. You'll notice something. It actually selects a different range, but we don't want to select this range. We want to select this range. Okay, so what you are going to do is simply change this to B. This is B2 all the way to B5. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, B. We should have. Okay, we should have pasted this there. It's fine though. B2 all the way to B5. B5. Okay, as you can see, it actually selected this one here, but we want a value that is greater than, let's say, 25. Okay, because we don't have values less than 10. Let's say it's greater than 25. So, okay, you see, it gave us the number of the values that are greater than 25. Let's say if we change this to 30, how many numbers in this range are greater than 25? It's actually 3. Okay, so when you go back to your questions, okay, so you should be able to answer this one. This simply means, okay, this formula counts the number of cells in the range A1 to A10 that are exactly equal to 10. That is not correct. Counts the number of cells in the range A1 to or A10 that contains a value greater than 10. That is correct. Okay. But we've illustrated using what? Using bigger values. If you wanted to use 10, you could have simply changed these values. Okay, let's just click on this one to keep it exactly the same. Okay, let's make this 10, and then you see there are 4 values greater than 10. If you change this one to 5, you see there'll be 3 values greater than 10, and so on. Okay, so basically that's how you should go about doing this assignment. Okay, let's go back to okay